guys, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, I do apologise that my voice is a little bit horsey, croaky. I don't know why. I think I'm coming down with something again, but this video is going to be a review, and this video is collabing with a company called Instant Whites. So first of all, I just want to say a big thank you for sending me across your teeth whitening kit. Nala, a big thank you for sending across your teeth whitening kit. I cannot wait to give my thoughts. So basically, this is one of the best teeth whitening kits I've ever used. I feel like it's created such a great, I feel like it's worked instantly. It really does depend on how discoloured your teeth are from the beginning, and it really just depends on what look you are looking for. So it comes with 3 syringes. Okay, so what you do is you put on your little tray. You put in your little tray. You've obviously put this in your mouth, but you've got three syringes, and what you do is they're already filled, so you'll pop that in there and that in that one, and you've got to follow the instructions with that, and then you pop this in your mouth. Once you've done that, you pop this little thing against your teeth, so against your mouth, and that is how your teeth become whiter with this little product. So you use this for 30 minutes per day. Yeah, 30 minutes per day, and I like to use it at night time. So if I'm getting ready or I'm just kind of getting undressed for bed, I'll sit and read, or I'll go on my phone, and before you know it, the 30 minutes are up. So you can do it whilst you're watching TV or anything. I think this product is really cool. I can't wait to keep using it, so I really thank you for sending me it. I feel so lucky to be a part of an amazing collaboration like this. I'm definitely going to be doing more reviews on this. I'm definitely going to be doing more Instagram reviews on this, so make sure to go and check out my Instagram. It's linked just there. That is my Instagram just there. But yeah, using these syringes, you will pop in the amount that you need into this bit, and then you pop that in your mouth, and then against here you will just pop this on, and that is how you whiten your teeth. You just use this product. So I can't wait to continue using this, and thank you so much for sending me this product, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are interested in purchasing the Instant White Teeth Whitening Kit, then just check the bottom bar down below, because all the information is down there, and you are able to click a link and you can purchase it right away. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!